Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be.
Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be reorganizing my side of the craft room. And while we do that, we're also going to be showing you what things I use to run my business. So yeah, so I've cut out a couple labels over there, and pretty much I'm going to take out everything out of my drawers, wipe them out, and then reorganize everything and put them kind of more together where they need to be. So let's get started. Okay, so now I have my labels, so I'm just gonna take them and put them on each drawer and then put everything else where it goes. Okay, so I finished this side. So I'm gonna go through all the drawers, show you guys what's in there, and then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you guys this side and how I decided to organize it, and then I'm gonna do a sweep, and then okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Much love to you all, and I wish you guys a great rest of your day, morning, day, wherever you are. Bye.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.